This is Aaron Johnson. I'm going to show you how to put on your ride-on Easter Bunny costume while you are blind. What I have here is my hop on top ride-on Easter Bunny costume. Now, I bought this from Amazon, and I ordered it since weeks ago, and I got it since February 5th. It arrived successfully. So what we're about to do is to bring this costume with me to my couch. As always, make sure the head of the costume is facing your direction. But first, what I'm going to do is go to my couch. So this is my couch. Here I am, I'm on my couch, and I'm next to my costume. And what I'm about to do, is to position my costume in front of me. So what I'm going to do is set this aside. And put this in front of me. So what I'm going to do is pause my recording. Now, I just got my costume positioned in front of me. And so now, make sure you have the costume facing your direction, facing away from you. And make sure you have sufficient room to put your costume on. Next, what we're going to do is to put your left leg or right leg in how you prefer to put it on. So in this case, I'm going to do is put my left leg in, and make sure the opening right there is wide enough so your legs can fit right in. And make sure you have it correct. You can tell you're putting it on correctly by feeling what you're actually doing. So I got my left leg in. Well, sorry for my off view. What I'm trying to do. Now, I got my right leg in. Make sure you turn your costume until the Easter Bunny's head is at the center point, and you pull it up, just like that. And monitor her ears, and you pull your foot right through, just like that. Make sure you get pulled through thoroughly. So what we're about to do, I'm about to stand up and pull my costume up. Up to my waist. Well, forgot to tell you, this costume does not include a shirt, so you gotta wear your own shirt, just like I'm doing right now. Now, that's how you put on your costume, because it goes around your waist. If you wish you want to make that bling taller, you can. Just pull it up higher if you want to. But it's up to you. And now, I'll show you. Oh, excuse me. And now, I want to show you the results after I adjust this costume. So what I'm going to do is pause the video. This is the results. I'm going to wear my costume. And what I'm about to do is to put on my shoes. So I'll be pause this video. So I'll do some. And now I'm back on my couch, and I'm going to do is to put on my shoes. But this costume does not include its own shoes. You have to put on your own shoes we have. So I'm going to do is start with my left foot because I'm trying to make sure I'm doing this both for the blind and people who are lefties. So what I'm going to do is put my shoe on. And then what I'm about to do, I'm about to put this strap around the underside of my shoe. Next, I'll put my right shoe on. Again, sorry for me doing this off view because me right there, sometimes I have to readjust and point my cell phone to another point there. Now, same thing with the left pant leg. It has an elastic where you strap your shoe to and adjust it. Now, what you do is to extend your legs a bit confirm if the pant legs are in sync with your shoes. Now, you can able to do is wear this costume. And now, I'm going to do is to walk around with it. And now, I'm going to do is turn my video camera around. Okay, I'm going to do is walk around. Let me know if I'm doing this view the wrong way, because sometimes I have to be very, very precise. Okay, what I'm going to do is go the other way. Oh, sorry, bye. I was just getting my cords out of the way. Try to get the view refreshed. Okay, I'm back to my couch, so I'm going to start walking around again. So I'll get off my couch. And now I'm walking around. What I'm going to do is adjust my camera. And now I'm pointing downward. Squeeze through here. Now, what I'm going to do is to turn around. And now, I'm heading back to my couch. Hold on, let me adjust. Okay, I just got back to my couch, and I'm still wearing my costume, and I'm trying to make sure I get my camera positioned correctly. Anyway, I just went back to my couch, and that's how you put on your Ride on Easter Bunny costume, your costume rather. So if you like this tutorial, feel free to leave a comment, and if you want to watch more videos on my channel, feel free to subscribe. So I'll be making some more videos. If you do like this tutorial, leave a like. That supports my channel, so I can make some more videos. So thanks for watching this tutorial. So I'll be back.